I'm Dan McCann. I am CEO of Precision AI. We're an artificial intelligence and robotics startup that is trying to solve the chemical cost problem for farmers and create healthier food for everybody. So we've partnered with Eberhard Farms and Sure Growth Solutions, who are both a progressive farm and an agronomy services firm, who are guiding us at every step of the way to make sure that the technology that we develop really works for real farmers on real farms.
We want to work with these companies as they're developing the products, because a lot of times a product is developed without, involving the farmer, the grower.
A swarm of drones will come out and survey your fields very fast. In real time, it can identify the location of the weeds within about a centimeter level of precision, and then generate a map of the entire field so it can be later targeted by the sprayer as the sprayer is going over it. A lot of farmers can spend, somewhere in the vicinity of $40 to $50 an acre on chemicals, and most of that is wasted. Using this drone technology, you can actually drop that chemical usage down by about 80 to 90%. Saskatchewan has recently developed a lot of very aggressive programs to actually encourage innovation inside the province. For innovations like what we're doing, which are very complicated, you've got artificial intelligence, you've got spray targeting, you've got things that have never been done before. Mitigating that risk is really, really important, especially to attract the bigger dollars of investment. We've actually been successful at leveraging those programs while we were in the early stages, and now that we're a lot farther along, we've actually been able to leverage that into larger venture capital type of investments.
You got Borgo Industries, you got Seedmaster, you got Seedhawk, you got the first real autonomous farming equipment in the dot came out of Saskatchewan. So from an agricultural standpoint and agricultural technology and innovation, Saskatchewan has some of the leading companies in the world.
Saskatchewan is a great place to do agricultural research and development. We're located within a 6-hour drive of something like 65% of the arable land in Canada. It's actually one of the best places you could do this type of work.